So today we worked on closed position. Closed position stuff and mostly starter step related and a little bit of passing, like left side pass, right side pass, chit chat. So the version of the starter step I taught today was a rock and go version where we trickle to our left. So we go 1 and 2. We're going to rock our follow for 3 and 4. Bringing our follow past our right side leaders, leaving our follow in closed position. From here we did a basic left side pass, 1, 2, 3, and 4, making sure we step toward the follow on that 4, 5, and 6. Then we added a hand change, it was a wrist to wrist hand change on 4. So if we do it from this side, we're gonna go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, and connect the wrist on 4 as you're stepping forward, 5 and 6, ending in right to right. We talked about if you're close to your partner, wrist to wrist is great. If you have the space to be in normal hand hold, that's fine too. Either one is okay. From here you can do a sweetheart move. We can do a 1, 2, 3, and 4 kind of a thing. A reverse whip, anything from right to right. What we spent a lot of time on today was talking about closed position. Talking to the follows about twisting the left side of your rib cage into this hand hold, as well as really engaging those lats and pushing the shoulder blade down so that we have nice control here in closed position. The other thing we talked a little bit about was the follows hand that's here, where to place it. Sometimes you can gain more connection by pulling that arm back and using it you have to really grab on, versus when it's up here you don't necessarily have as much. And the second you drop your right shoulder back, then you can kind of slip out. So all those things for the follow was really helpful to really stay engaged in closed position. Oh, for the follows, one more other thing we talked about was like the center line. Making sure that our arms don't cross the center line, that if our leader pushes it this way, our whole frame goes. And then keeping our arms in our peripheral. So if our hands are back here and we can't see them, then we've probably broken frame and gone too far back. So we want to make sure that we keep them up here where we can see in the peripheral, whatever that is. So I'll count that out one more time for you guys. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, and connect on 4, 5, and 6. And then we can do our next pattern, walking it out, present our follow for a bow.